So first you must open the Play Store or Android iOS Store, whatever it is, and after that you must type here Diwali sticker or Happy Diwali sticker, whatever it is what you wish, you must type there. And you can see that plenty of stickers have been arrived here, and from them you must select one you needed, or which one you love, and after that you must move to the next step, that is installing the app in your smartphone. So when it is you can see plenty of apps have been available related to this Diwali, and you can see that it is installing. The process of installing is going on after 100% is being completed. Okay, now you can see that it is installed, and next option is you must click the open button, and when it open, then you can see the messages, or you can see here plenty of Diwali stickers are here. And after that you can see here an option called add to WhatsApp, and you must click that add to WhatsApp, and now it is asked, would you like to add Diwali stickers to WhatsApp, and you must again press the add button, and now this Diwali sticker have been automatically added to your WhatsApp. Now you can go to your WhatsApp, and you must open your WhatsApp, and in the bottom line you can see here so this is normally you can see in WhatsApp, and you can see the bottom position there, you can see a laughing smiley. After that you can see this one as GIF, and after that you can see an option called sticker, the third one, and you must press the sticker, and you can see above position there, you can see plenty of stickers have been arrived here, and you must select the Happy Diwali sticker from here, and after that you must select the Happy Diwali sticker from here,